మనం చేసేది ఇంకో సిట్టింగ్ ఆసన which is also important for old age people, mainly for their leg pains. Now slowly stretch both your legs forward with the inhalation and exhalation. Both the legs into the air and start doing cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax, take a few deep breaths. Relax. Now we'll do it again, another round. Slowly stretch your legs forward, both legs in the air, start cycling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Take a few deep breaths. Cycling చేసేటప్పుడు మన కాళ్ళ టక్ 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 అని సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ టక్ టక్ is nothing but releasing your bones. Releasing the bones which are stuck, releasing the bones and twisting the bones which are actually stuck in your body, and you have to make them flexible, even if you are thin, even if you are fat. Making your body flexible is completely different from your body's weight. Is it loose or tight? But making your body flexible is the most important thing. నువ్వు సన్నగా ఉన్నా లావుగా ఉన్నా కానీ మన బాడీని ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ చేసుకోవడం మన ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్. అది మనం చూసుకోవాల్సిన విషయం. ఓకే, now slowly stay in that position only. Slowly bend back your hands, bend your elbows. Exactly. Now raise your legs up, both the legs up, cross. Make it straight. Yeah, hold. 1, 2, keep your legs straight. 3, 4, now divide your legs. Again, 1, join. This completes one round. Now do the second round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last, 9, and the last one, 10. Relax your legs, relax your hands, sleep in Shavasana, relax, sleep in Shavasana, take a few deep breaths, make sure your body is not breathing heavily. As I already told you, heaviness in the body has a lot of effect on both of your mind and your heart. Only when your body is breathing slowly and in an optimal way, you will understand how your body is working. If your body is being in a heavy state, you can't walk, you can't run, nor you can do simple exercise like this. Now again, get onto your elbows. We'll do the second round. Both the legs up, open, close, 2, open, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax your hands, relax your legs, sleep. Do the thing with all your lovingness, not by feeling it as the heavy thing. Okay? Make sure you do it with love, not with hard work. Love your body, love your exercise, love your mat, love your design, and love your curves. Mainly your body shape and your curve should be loved by you. Except by you, no one will love it more than you. So try to embrace your body, try to embrace yourself. Try not to scold the fat you have, love yourself. Now let's get into the another sitting asana, which should be done by all teens, kids, and moms, dads, fathers, grandfathers, everybody. All the age people should be doing this every day, must and should. Okay, now slowly sit, make your left leg straight, right leg straight, fold both your legs, lift your hips and sit on your feet, join both of your hands. Now close both of your legs, open, close both of your legs, close, open, close, open. Manamu ee asanasni close, open chedamu. Sit on your hips, sit on your feet. Don't make sure your hips are not touching the ground. Bend forward. Now join your legs, open, join, open, join, open, join, open. Relax, relax. Now we'll do another asana, that is, come straight again into that position. Fold your legs, sit on your legs, sit on your foot, hands touching to your foot. Stand up, again down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Relax, sit down. Take a few deep breaths, relax, sit down, relax. Now, take a few deep breaths and get into Shavasana. Sleep. Now, I'm going to tell you the deep relaxation technique. Now, with the inhalation and exhalation, place both your palms upward, upward. Now, deep breathe in. Concentrate on my words. Tighten your whole body. Tighten your whole body. Release. Tighten your whole body again. Release. Tighten your muscles. Tighten your thighs. Everything. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Release. Again, once again, tight. Release. Take a few deep breaths. The deep relaxation technique. This is to be done after you do every asana. Like anni asanas chesin tarvata idi shavasana lo main thing. Relax. Now imagine yourself sitting in a garden of flowers, full of flowers, your favorite flowers, your favorite everything, your favorite place. You are imagining the most important and the favorite and the happy moments of your life. Imagine the most happy, favorite moments of your life. Imagine the smile you have on your face. Imagine the love. Imagine the aura when you are happy. Imagine the whole happiness. Imagine. Think about your happiness. Think about your happiest moments in your life. Happiest people in your life. Observe your body. Observe the mind. Know yourself. You are loving yourself. Think about all the points where you are strong. Think about all the happiest points and think about all the loveliest points where you are completely strong. Okay? Now slowly love yourself. And close your eyes, relax, take a few deep breaths. Imagine the times when you were very powerful with your person. With everybody, not only your person, your family, your mom, your dad, your favorite people, it may be anybody. Just imagine them sitting beside you. Imagine the happiest moments you have in your life. Imagine the moments when you were are very strong. Imagine. Try to motivate yourself. Try to not demote yourself. Okay? Now slowly close your eyes. Now once again, one last time, tighten your whole body. Tighten, tighten, tighten. Release. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths with inhalation. Slowly move your feet. Move your toes. Move your fingers. Move your palms. Now bend your body whole towards the right side. Bend your whole body towards the right side. And slowly sit down onto the mat. Wake up and sit down onto the mat. Take a few deep breaths. Sit in Vajrasana or any asana you're comfortable with. Sit down. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Observe the changes happening in your body. Relax. Rub both your palms. Close your eyes. Rub both your palms. Generate the heat between your palms. Place it on your face. Look into your palms. Open your eyes. Bend forward. Bhumata Pranam. Again, come back. Relax.